I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
So hi guys, I'm getting ready. We're going out today. We're going to buy a new washing machine and dryer for our new house, because the washing machine that we have here, we're going to leave this here in the house and we're going to sell this. So we need a new washing machine and dryer in our new house, and we're just going to pay that today and let them deliver on once the house is already finished, the hard flooring, and if there's already finished painted. So ayun, we're going out today guys. So there. Ang kalat ng house namin today. Oh, did I forget it? Where is he? Sweetheart? Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm waiting on you, so I was doing something else while I was waiting.
Huh? Oh, okay. So we're ready. I'm just going to get my sunglasses. It's a bit sunny today. So, yeah. Oh, it's so sunny. What are those? There's a lot of jet in the sky. There we go. So I'm just waiting for Charles, and I think we're going to dump the garbage as well today. So yeah. And by the way guys, I just want to apologize. There's a lot of you guys waiting for my vlog, and it's really so busy lately, as you know that we're preparing our new house. Actually, I helped Charles painting. We actually hired a painter, but what do you call that? Yung nagpe-paint. I don't know what you call that. We hired someone, and we also help. Charles taught me on how to do a painting, so I was so really busy in his painting as well. And then I just really want to say thank you for all your support on my channel, and I wish you guys belated Merry Christmas and it's almost New Year, and advance Happy New Year, and thank you for all my new subscribers. Nabubulol ako. I'm going to do a vlog, shout out vlog, very soon. I'm not able to edit a lot of my videos yet since sobrang busy ang holiday, like Christmas party. I don't vlog like a Christmas party because there's a lot of people, and I just want to vlog just like two of us. There's no other people in our vlog, so I don't vlog Christmas party. I haven't uploaded yet. I haven't vlog yet yung opening ng mga gifts at yung mga gifts na na-receive namin. So I'm going to vlog that as very soon as well. And then I don't know which one will be the first I can edit, if this vlog or yung vlog ng mga gifts. So I'm doing bubulol talaga ako. I'm doing my best. I hope once we already move in a new house, I can vlog yung updated vlog na. Kasi mostly yung mga vlog ko, I will just do a vlog, but I can't edit that. So it always late, and someone also asked me to put a date on the vlogs. I will try to do that once I'm able to have an updated vlog, yung hindi na ako busy. So I'll try to do that. So there's maybe I can do that once we move already in our new house. So ayun, I'm just waiting for him kasi nagpe-paint pa siya. Actually, I can paint. Sobrang, I have a lot of contribution in the house, and I'm always involved in painting, yung taking off the the carpet. So I'm so really grateful with that. And yan, actually tapos na yung hard floor namin. I mean na-install na pero hindi pa siya na-stain, and we're still thinking what would be the right the color, the best color that we can pick. Actually Charles wanted to be just like a natural color, and I felt like I want a darker one, so I'm still thinking what would be. So ayan na siya. I was trying to close the garage na, and so that they can go out right there. Yung itong ano namin, this garage has a door. In our new house, we don't have like a door, entrance door aside from the garage door. So hi guys, we supposed to get a dryer and a washing machine today, but we decided that we still have a lot of things to do. As I told you, we're so really busy lately. So the weather today is very nice. It's sunny. It's cold, but it's cooler, but it's not like really cold. So I think tomorrow the weather will going to change, and it would be more cooler than today. So we decided to just go home today, and because we need Charles needs to repair something on the back of our dryer to make, because it's like, I don't know what was it. And also we still need to finish painting on the garage of our old house, which is the current house. So we just decided to go home kasi maganda yung weather, so that we can paint, and we can go back tomorrow na lang in Lowe's to pay the washing machine and dryer. It's not that really in a rush, since I think it will take few weeks before we can move in a new house, and it's not that really in a hurry, so we just decided to go back home na lang. So I'm just waiting here in the car. He's actually in the inside the Food Lion. He's going to buy a vinegar for our humidifier, because we using humidifier every day. I don't know what he said about it, just like to clean the air, I don't know. So I'm just waiting him here, and I think I'm going to help him paint today. I've been helping him painting since, and it's like doing a lot of things, and I really enjoyed it. Actually, he bought me a new paint brush lately, so ayun, because he wanted to work with me all the time. We always share the work together, and I really enjoy that as well. So yun, we're going back home. I'm just waiting for him, and sana I'm able to edit videos today. I hope so. It's almost sunset. Huh?
Pretty doggone close.
Nice flower! I saw a flower right here. What kind of flower is this flower? What?
Aren't they pansies? They've got to be pansies. I'm pretty sure they are.
Oh, it looks really nice.
That's Mandina. That's pretty good. Mandina's pretty.
What's the name of this flower? Oh, pansy, yeah.
But they're about flowers that grow.
Winter? Oh, are they going to grow? How about in the summer? Are they going to die? They're growing all year.
Yeah. You have to keep them out of pansies.
Oh.
Pansies don't like them.
Okay. Sweetheart, they're already on sale. Christmas decor.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not yet. Not yet.
What?
Not yet sale.
What?
Not
yeah,
yet.
they are. They're supposed to be 50% off.
No, it's not.
Well, it was the other day.
Oh, really?